Hello friends, media of today is playing an outstanding role in creating and shaping of public opinion and strengthening of society. Today, media become a part of everyone's life. Media plays a major role in today's society. Now media become food to strengthen or weaken society. Media is the sword arm of democracy. Media acts as watchdog to protect public interest against malpractices and create public awareness. Society is influenced by media in so many ways. It is the media for the masses that helps them to get information about a lot of things and also form opinions and make a judgment regarding various issues. It is the media which keep people updated and informed about what is happening around them and the world that everyone draws something from it. Media is considered as mirror of the modern society. In fact, it is the media which shapes our lives. Media studies is a fast growing academic field in India with several dedicated departments and research institutes. With a view to making the best use of communication facilities for information, publicity and development, the Government of India in 1962 sought the advice of the Ford Foundation team of internationally known mass communication specialists. They recommended setting up a national institute for training, teaching and research in mass communication. As a result, many of the institutions in India started courses in media studies. Today, Techno Institute, the famous Institute of Media Studies in the North India, offers both graduate and undergraduate program in journalism and mass communication. This program has bright future prospects in the field of market research, media and communication management, civil society and social work, academics and teaching. Media studies are a discipline and field of study that deals with content, history and effects of various media. Media studies may draw on tradition from both the social sciences and the humanities, but mostly from its core discipline of mass communication, communication sciences and communication studies. Researcher may also develop and employ theories and methods from disciplines including cultural studies, rhetoric, including digital rhetoric, philosophy, literary theory, psychology, political science, political economics, sociology, anthropology, social theory, art, history and criticism, film theory, feminist theory and information theory. So for making the future in media, come and join Techno Group of Institution. Thank you.